Hey everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to change currency on eToro.com account. To change your default currency on eToro, first of all, open your web browser and type in eToro.com in the URL box and search. Once you're inside the home page of eToro.com, make sure that you're also logged into your account. Once logged in, from the home page of eToro, go to the left-hand side corner and click on the Settings button. Once you're inside Settings, go ahead and click on Display. Inside the Display tab, scroll down and click on Display Currency dropdown. Now choose a different currency you want to change to. And once done, head back to the home page. Now you have successfully changed your display currency on eToro. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.